Now I'm gonna show you how to assemble the SSP18. So we have all the parts just like in the last video when I was disassembling it. This is pretty much just reversing the steps and assembling the pistol back together. So let's get started. First we will start with the inner barrel and the hop-up chamber. So we will take the part with the opening right here, and we will put the inner barrel with the hop-up bucking, and we will place this cutout into the hole so that the barrel and the bucking aligns properly. Sometimes you can use a screwdriver to push the bucking in the right place, just like that. This should be just flush with the surface. We will put it on the table. Now we will take the hop-up wheel and put it back in place. Now comes the hop-up arm. I will start at the top and I will slide it into the hop-up wheel, just like that. It stays in place, so we don't need to be worried about it springing out or jumping out on you. Now we will close the shell, just like this. I will check if both shells are touching nicely. There should be no gaps whatsoever. And we will put back the two screws into the chamber. And I will take a screwdriver and just close it. Don't put too much pressure, don't tighten the screws too much, because you can damage the thread and then the screws would just fall out. You don't need to tighten it like crazy, just firmly, but not overdo it. Okay? That's more than enough. Now I will put the inner barrel with the chamber into the outer barrel, just like that. And there is one more screw on the side, which is holding these two parts together, which helps with the accuracy. Again, don't over tighten the screw. You should never over tighten the screw, no matter which gun you are working on. Okay, now I will put the outer barrel into the slide, just like that. I will put the buffer back in, the recoil spring, and finally I can put the thread protector, or you can do this at the end, doesn't really matter. Okay, now we have just two parts, the lower and the slide. Just slide it on there, dry fire it, try if it works. Okay, perfect. Magazine in, you can go to work. See you in the next one.